Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start with the right foundation. In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal low-calorie. First, select plain rolled or steel-cut oats, as they are naturally lower in calories and free from added sugars found in many instant varieties. A half cup of dry rolled oats typically contains around 150 calories, providing a great base for a healthy meal. This simple choice sets you up for success in creating a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. Next, let's talk about your liquid. To keep calories down, always use water instead of milk. Milk, even skim, adds extra calories and fat that we want to avoid for a low-calorie option. A good rule of thumb is a 2-to-1 ratio of water to oats. So, for every half cup of dry oats, use 1 cup of water. This ratio ensures a perfectly creamy consistency without unnecessary additions. Now for the fun part, flavor. You can make your oatmeal delicious without piling on extra calories. Reach for spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, or even a pinch of cardamom. A few drops of vanilla or almond extract can also add a lovely, natural sweetness without any sugar. Don't forget fresh citrus zest, like lemon or orange, for a bright, aromatic kick. These simple additions elevate your oatmeal's taste profile beautifully. Finally, let's talk toppings. This is where many people add hidden calories, but we can be smart about it. A small handful of fresh berries, like blueberries or raspberries, adds natural sweetness and antioxidants for about 40 calories. A tablespoon of chia seeds provides healthy fats and fiber for around 60 calories. If you like nuts, measure them carefully. A small sprinkle of chopped almonds, about 1 tablespoon, adds about 50 calories. Enjoy your delicious, low-calorie oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.